Let me ask you something honest. Do you feel tired for no real reason? Do you work out but barely see results? Do you carry fat around your chest or stomach no matter what you eat? If you said yes to even one of those, your testosterone is probably already low. And here's the part nobody tells you. It's not entirely your fault. But it is your responsibility to fix it. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you 3 exact signs your testosterone is dropping, and 4 natural ways to fix it permanently. No supplements. No shortcuts. Just real science. Let's get into it. Sign number 1. Chest fat and belly fat. Most guys think this is just a diet problem. It is not. Here's what's actually happening inside your body. When you carry extra fat, especially around your chest and stomach, your body starts producing something called aromatase. This enzyme takes your testosterone and converts it directly into estrogen, the female hormone. So the more fat you carry, the less testosterone you produce. And the less testosterone you have, the more fat your body stores. It's a cycle. And it keeps pulling you deeper until you deliberately break it. Sign number 2. Constant tiredness and weak muscles. If you're under 35 and you feel exhausted from simple things, climbing stairs, carrying bags, just getting through a normal day, that is not normal tiredness. That's your hormones failing you. Low testosterone means your muscles can't recover properly. Your energy can't reset. Your body is running on empty. Most guys blame stress or bad sleep. But until you fix the root cause, nothing changes. You just keep feeling worse. Sign number 3. No morning erection. I know this feels uncomfortable to talk about. But this is one of the most honest signals your body will ever send you. Testosterone naturally peaks in the morning. So if you're not waking up with one, or it feels weak and inconsistent, your testosterone, your blood flow, and your nerve health are all struggling. At the same time, your body is speaking directly to you. Don't ignore it. Now here's the part that actually matters. How to fix it, naturally and permanently. Fix number 1. Start sweating, seriously. This sounds too simple. But sweating is directly linked to testosterone production. Research shows that intense physical activity and heat help your body flush out excess estrogen and rebalance your hormones. The fastest way to do this is sprinting. 3 sets 3 times a week. If you can't sprint, jump squats or high-intensity swimming work just as well. The key is pushing your body hard enough to actually sweat. That's when the hormonal shift happens. Fix number 2. Protect your sleep. Testosterone is not made in the gym. It is made while you sleep. During deep sleep, your body runs a full hormonal reset. Cut that short, less than 7 hours, and that process gets interrupted. You wake up with lower testosterone than the day before. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Dark room. Phone away from your bed. This one habit alone will create a noticeable difference within 2 weeks. Fix number 3. Eat for your hormones. Your body needs 4 specific things to produce testosterone: protein, zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats. Here's the simplest breakfast that covers all 4 at once. If you eat meat, a 4-egg omelet with 2 slices of watermelon on the side. Eggs give you protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. Watermelon supports hydration and blood flow. If you're vegetarian, high-protein oats with walnuts, almonds, and 2 Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are one of the richest natural sources of selenium, which directly supports testosterone production. 2 per day is enough. Don't overdo it. Do this every morning for 10 days straight. You will feel the difference in your energy, your focus, and your strength. Fix number 4. And this one doesn't get talked about enough. Reduce what's draining you. Excessive pornography and frequent masturbation directly impact your dopamine system. And your dopamine system is closely connected to how your body regulates testosterone. Studies suggest that high-frequency use desensitizes your brain's reward system and can quietly lower your natural hormonal output over time. You don't have to be perfect. But cutting back, even by half, gives your system space to reset. And your testosterone space to rise. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. Low testosterone is not a life sentence. Your body is designed to produce it. You just have to stop doing the things that block it, and start doing the things that build it. Sprint. Sleep. Eat right. Protect your energy. Apply even 2 of these consistently, and within 2 to 3 weeks you will feel a real shift. In your energy, your mood, your strength, and how you carry yourself every single day. That's not motivation talk. That's science. And if nobody else is telling you this, that's exactly why this channel exists. Subscribe to Unflapaura. Because this is just the beginning.
Oh, hi.